Tired of seeing the frustrating "this page isn't working" Err Empty Response error in Google Chrome? No worries. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue and get back to browsing in peace. So let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Before anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, contact your internet service provider for help. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int-ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Then check if the error is fixed or not. Solution 2. Clear Chrome cache. To do this, open Chrome. After that, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from here. Now click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now click on Clear Browsing Data from here. Then click on the box next to Time Range and select All Time from the drop-down menu. Next, hit the Clear Data button, and all the cache data will be deleted from Chrome. Now check if that helped with the error. Solution 3. Change your DNS server. For this one, open command prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. Now select Manual. After that, turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the error is solved. Solution 4. Reset Google Chrome. For this one, open Chrome again. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Next, hit the Reset Settings button. So that's how you fix the "this page isn't working" Err Empty Response error in Google Chrome on your PC. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.